Welcome back to my channel, and my car is broken again. This time we were driving in the night, in the evening, and there was coming a warning message. I heard that this fan is blowing full speed. That's the problem. And I think the problem is with some sensors. I think in this car there is two sensors. One is in this radiator. Actually, I don't know yet where it is. Other one is with the thermostat and thermostat housing. There is a sensor in this housing. I ordered original parts from Opel. I will change both sensors, and at the same time, when I have to drain this fluid anyway, I will also change this thermostat and this housing. When I ordered those came together, and also this housing came with the sensor. You can of course buy those very cheap if you don't need the original GM parts. Actually, here in Switzerland it's very difficult to buy parts other than online or original from the original Opel dealer or service. This moment I don't have time to order this stuff, and I need to fix this car as soon as possible. Okay, let's look a little bit of these parts. Here's the part number. That's actually for the thermostat and this thermostat housing. Other sensor, this should come to the radiator. I don't know yet where it is. That's the thermostat here, and here's also some kind of sensor, and that's the thermostat housing, and here is the temperature sensor. I will check now this new one, and then I will compare it to this old one. 2.58 kilo ohms. This one, which is coming to the radiator. Oh, okay, it's about the same. I think I will start with the basics, and I will drain the fluid. It should be easy job. car is fixed. Everything works so far. I changed these parts and reset this computer, and the warning sign, it's not coming anymore. I was a little bit surprised what really was the problem. The problem wasn't any of these sensors. Actually, that's from the thermostat housing. There is some kind of corrosion coming to the sensor. So these, I think these could fail, but these are fine. That's actually the original thermostat. And I changed this a long time ago because it was leaking liquid, this fluid from there. That's not original. I bought this, that was a cheap one, and I changed it. I drove with this about maybe 2,000 kilometers or something. But in this case, that was the problem. There is some kind of sensor or something inside. If I will measure this original, which is working, so it's about 15 ohms, this resistance, and that's the one that I changed there earlier, and there's nothing, it's broken. This was the problem in this case. Problem solved. And first I have to say, I'm not a car mechanic. I'm not a professional in these things. I just love to learn stuff and doing stuff by myself. So if you are just a little bit concerned about doing stuff by yourself, take your car to the garage. They know how to do it, and that's the easiest way. Changing these sensors, that was quite easy job. Only problem was that these sensors were in so tight places that it was quite hard to reach. Thermostat itself, that's an easy job. So you have to drain your coolant fluid. That's also quite easy job to do. Thank you guys so much for watching, and see you guys next time.